Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be interested in giving you a guide process on how to locate a particular program of interest on any university's website at all. So for the length of my video and for the sake of better education, I'll focus on a particular university with a particular program of interest in mind. So let's say I'm interested in Augusta University. So I'll probably type in the name of Augusta University, and then pops up at the top of my search list. Click on this first link, which will take me to the university website directly. So once I am inside the university website, it is always interesting to either click on admissions or academics, but if you are focusing on a program, clicking on academics is your best option for the start. Once I click on academics, it takes me to programs. Then I'm able to click on programs, and then I'll have all programs here, undergraduate programs, graduate programs. So let's say I'm interested in the graduate program. So I click on graduate programs, and graduate programs basically include both masters and PhD programs. So I scroll down, it gives me a list of 67 graduate programs in Augusta University, and these are some of the list. They have nursing, allied health, biochemistry, bioethics, applied health, blah blah blah. So you could scroll down to the bottom to see all the list of schools that are available and scan through to see if your program of interest is in. So let's say I am interested in a biomolecular science master's program. So I'll humbly locate the biomolecular science master's program, which is located here. Then I'll click on explore. Once I click on explore, it takes me to the program website in general. So general information about the program is located here. It said with a master's in biomolecular science, you'll be studying an innovative curriculum to gain expertise in data analysis, experimental methods, and problem solving that will lead to understanding of biological systems. The degree allows you to choose between two concentrations. Now, so these are the two concentrations. We have cell and molecular biology concentration, and we have medicinal chemistry concentration. So we have these options when you apply for biomolecular science program. Then it says that by choosing to earn your master's in biomolecular science from Augusta, you will enter a flexible program which with a small class size, dedicated faculty, and innovative curriculum. Then it says at the bottom here that students can receive a tuition assistantship that includes a full tuition waiver and a $2,000 stipend. Interesting. So that tells you that there's a very positive indication that the program is fully funded. So the biomolecular science program is fully funded. So once you are accepted into the program and then you'll be given a teaching assistantship offer, your tuition will be paid for, and then you will receive a monthly stipend of $2,000. And in regard, you work as a teaching assistant. So now that we have an indication that the program is fully funded, what do? We go further to try to look for the admission requirement. So once you scroll down, you see curriculum, admission criteria, tuition and fees, and application deadline. So now that we know the program is funded, deadlines are important, but let's focus on the admission criteria. That will, give us an overview if we qualify at all. Because once you don't qualify, deadline doesn't matter to you. So once we come to the admission criteria, you need a GPA, and then you need an overall undergraduate GPA of 3.0 on a 4.0 scale. So if your GPA is in a 5.0 scale, you might need to convert it to a 4.0 scale. Yes. Then your degree requirement, you have a bachelor's degree in any STEM field such as biological, chemical, pharmaceutical, blah blah blah. And then your transcript, you also need transcript, official transcript from all undergraduate programs or universities you attended. Standardized course, GRE is optional. So if you have it, you can provide it. If you don't, you can leave it. Letters of recommendation. They need about 3 letters of recommendation. Now, for the two concentration that they have, students interested in the cell and molecular biology concentration, that means that your undergraduate program might have included these courses: introductory biology with a lab component, introductory physics, chemistry, all with a lab component, and organic chemistry, 1 semester of biochemistry. Yes. And then also those interested in the medicinal chemistry, basically the same thing. Yeah, biology, chemistry, physics, and then organic and biochemistry. These are the requirements. So international students have additional requirement, but for the length of my video, maybe in my next video I might delve more into the requirement for international transcripts and English proficiency requirements. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, comment at the comment section and drop any aspect of school applications, whether graduate or undergraduate, that you want me to make more videos on, and then I might be interested, or I'll be glad to do a lot of videos on those areas to help guide you on how to select programs and schools as well. Basically, the application deadline is also over here. For fall 2025 application deadline for international is March 2025, which has already passed, and then extended to also by this 425 for domestic, I mean student in the US, is extended to June 2nd, 2025. Early admission of all application materials strongly advised. All required application material blah 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 now be submitted, to be considered for early application. Yeah, so thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video.